Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Honda Fury. This is 1300 cc's of VTwin fuel-injected liquid-cooled power shaft drive. This bike is a factory-built chopper, so you get your Honda reliability with great chopper styling. Wait till you hear that Cobra exhaust. Check out that big 240 rear tire. Come on by and make your custom chopper Honda dreams come true with this gorgeous 2013 for just $59.90. This bike is not going to be here long. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Oh, by the way, it only has 3,500 miles on the odometer. Come on by, check it out. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.